I will tell you the reasons for premature fruit fall and what can you do to prevent it. At the end of the video, I will also give you top tips that will ensure a large number of fruits on the tree. Here are 5 main reasons for fruit drop and how to avoid them. Watering. The most important reason for fruit dropping is probably too less or too much water. Getting correct amount of water at right time is an important factor for the growth of fruits on trees. Dry soil or dry weather can stress trees and they may drop the flowers and fruit. If the tree is not getting enough water, then it will drop some fruit to develop the remaining fruit properly. So water frequently to keep adequate moisture in the soil, especially if the weather is too dry. But on the other hand, excessive water will also drop fruit prematurely because fruit cannot hold too much moisture. You should water only when top 1 inch soil gets dry. Insert your finger in soil to check if it is dry. Nutrients or fertilizer. The fruit drop may be due to deficiency of nutrients in soil or fertilization at wrong time. If the fruit tree does not have enough nutrients, then it will not be able to produce food to grow the fruits. Feed a complete fertilizer developed for fruit trees during the growing period. Avoid fertilizer high in nitrogen. Too much nitrogen will damage flowers. Spread fertilizer away from the trunk or along the rim of the pot and mix in soil. Top dress with organic compost or manure and apply a thick layer of mulch. Always water well after fertilization. You can feed a liquid fertilizer like power feed and seaweed every 2 weeks during the growing period of the tree. Pests and diseases. Premature fruit drop often occurs in trees that are infested with insects. The fruit may start to rot because of pests and then fall. You can get rid of pests by using neem oil spray or using soap water solution regularly. Another problem on fruit trees is fungal disease such as anthracnose, sooty mold and powdery mildew, which can cause premature dropping of flowers and fruit. This fungus develops black spots on leaves, stems and fruit. The fruit that initially appears unaffected develops black spots upon ripening. To control it, first remove all the infected leaves, stems, branches and debris around the tree and destroy them. Do not use them in compost. Spray a copper fungicide solution on the entire tree, including both sides of leaves, trunk as well as cut ends of branches. Repeat every week till problem is eliminated. Spray early in the day. Do not spray during hot weather. Overbearing. Fruit falling from a tree is a natural process due to overbearing of fruit. The tree may not have enough energy to grow all fruits. The immature fruits are all competing for the available food and water. The strongest will survive. This results in more fruit on the ground than on the tree. To properly utilize the available nutrients, you may thin out the fruit to get large size sweet fruits. For example, You may pull out peaches and nectarines when they are about 1 inch in size, leaving one fruit every 6 inches on the stems. Adverse weather conditions. In addition to the above regions, the dry weather, too high or too low temperatures, or high winds at the time of fruit set can drop flowers and fruits. However, you cannot fully control the weather conditions. Tip number 1. Sprays for prevention of fruit drop. Spraying some hormones like naphthalene acetic acid and gibberellic acid on blooms ensures increasing fruit set, fruit retention, fruit weight and yield. Tip number 2. The fruit drop can be controlled by applying eco oil or pest oil starting as soon as you see the flowers appearing. So, if you can identify the causes of premature fruit drop on your tree, then you can treat them and prevent fruit fall. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. Thank you for watching.